Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First we are going to solve here the exercise 3.6 question number 2. Please like and subscribe my channel. Now look at here these questions. Firstly read this question here. Your questions are given below. Question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Question number 2 of first part given. I read their questions. Ritu can downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her the speed of rolling in still water and the speed of the current. Let solution speed of rowing in still water b x and speed of the current v, speed of the current b y. Ritu can downstream. Downstream means downward direction. And Ritu can upstream. Upstream means upward direction. This is the downstream and this is the upstream. Now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Now Ritu can downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So x plus y is equal to speed is equal to distance 20 time 2. Then cancel out. X plus y is equal 10 on equation number 1. This is the downstream. And second equation, and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Upstream 4 km in 2 hours means x minus y is equal to 4 upon 2. This is the speed is equal to distance upon time. So x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 2. Now this is the upstream. So for equation 1 and 2, on solving the equation number 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10 and second x minus y is equal to 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So this is the positive negative sign will become cancel out here. So we can write as there xx, 2x is equal to 12. Now x is equal to 12 upon 2. Now x is equal to 6 km per hour. Putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation, first we get or we have now x plus y is equal to 10, then x value of 6 plus y is equal to 10. So we can write as here 10 minus 6, y is equal to 4 km per hour. Therefore the speed of the rowing in still water be 6 km per hour and the speed of the current be 4 km per hour. Okay student, now let's go to the question number 2 of the second part. Question number 2 of the second part. Now erase these questions. Now question number 2 of the second part. Questions are given. First I read this question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Means 2 women और 5 men जो हैं एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क को 4 days में करते हैं. While 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Means 3 women और 6 men जो हैं उसी वर्क को 3 days में करते हैं. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Means एक वुमेन का और एक मैन का अकेले वो कितने दिन में उस वर्क को कर सकता है. नाउ सॉल्यूशन. लेट वुमेन finish work X days and man finish work Y days. A man alone work, a woman alone work 1 by X days. Man finish work 1 by Y days. Now 2 women according to questions. 2 women 5 men means 2 women 2 upon X plus 5 men 5 upon Y is equal 4 days time 1 upon 4. Similarly second 3 women 3 upon X plus 6 men plus 6 upon Y is equal can finish the work in 3 days 1 upon 3. Now solving. Now let this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Let by reducing method to solving 1 by X is equal to A and 1 by Y is equal to B. So we can write as here 2A plus 5B is equal 1 by 4. 4 2s are 8A plus 4 5s are 20B is equal to 1. Now 3A plus 6B equal 1 by 3. Cross multiply 9A plus 3 6 are 18B is equal to 1. This is the equation number 3rd and this is the equation number 4. By solving the elimination method by using elimination method 8A plus 20B is equal to 1. 9A plus 18B is equal to 1. This multiply 9 and this multiply 8. Now 9 8s are 72A plus 9 20s are 180B is equal to 9. And this 8 9s are 72A plus 8 18s are 144B is equal to 8. Now this negative 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 cancel out here. So cancellation 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 4 3. 36B is equal to 1. Now B is equal to 1 by 36. Now B is equal to 1 upon 36. Putting the value of B, putting the value of B in equation 3rd we get. Then third equation 8A plus 20B is equal to 1. 8A plus 20 into B value 1 by 36 is equal to 1. Now 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. 8A plus 5 upon 9B is equal to 1. Cross multiply. Now 72A plus 5 upon 9 is equal to 1. Now 72A plus 5 is equal to 9. 72A is equal to 9 minus 5. 72A is equal to 4. Then A is equal to 4 upon 72. 4 1 ja 4, 4 18 ja. then b is equal to 1 by 18. Sorry, a is equal to 1 by 18 and b is equal to 1 by 36. Now put here 1 by x is equal to a, means 1 by x is equal to a value 1 by 18. Then 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Then x is equal to 18 and 1 by y is equal to b, and 1 by y is equal to b value 1 by 36. Then y is equal to 36. Therefore, for a woman can finish work alone 18 days, and a man finish the work alone 36 days. This is your. Now student, exercise 3.6, question number 2 of the third part. This is the last question of the exercise 3.6. Now first read this question here. Ruhi traveled 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. Means रूही जो है अपने घर से 300 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करती है, कुछ ट्रेन से और कुछ बस से. She takes 4 hours, और वह she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by the bus. Means वह 4 घंटे लेती है यदि वह 60 किलोमीटर ट्रेन से और 240 किलोमीटर रिमेनिंग बाय बस से ट्रेवल करती है. If she travel 100 km by the train and remaining by the bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Now listen. Solution. Let speed of train be x and speed of bus be y kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour. Now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Now according to questions, 60 km by train, if she travel 60 km by train, then remaining 240 km by bus. So 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equal to 4. This is the question number 1. This is the distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Total time t is equal to t1 plus t2. Now this is the distance and this is the speed of the train and this is the time of the bus. So t is equal to t1 plus t2. Now according to the next questions, if she travel, if she travel 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, means 200 kilometer by bus. So now 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to, now she takes 10 minutes longer than the first. 10 minutes longer means 10 plus 4. This is the hour and this is the minutes. 4. Now 4 plus 10 upon 60. This is the minute. So convert it to the hour. Now 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 1 by 6. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 by 6. So we can write as a, now 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 25 upon 6. So this is the equation number 2. Now reducing method, let 1 by x is equal a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now put in this equation number 1 and 2. So 60a plus 240b is equal 4. Now 60 common. A plus 4b is equal to 4. Then a plus 4b is equal to 4 upon 60. Now 1 by 15. A plus 4b is equal to 1 by 15. Now second, 100 a plus 200 b is equal to 25 upon 6. Now common 100 common. A plus 2b equal to 25 upon 6. Now here is the multiply. Transfer to right side will become divide. So we can write as a plus 2b 25 upon 6 into 100. 25 1 ja upon 4 ja means a plus 2b is equal to 1 by 24. On solving the equation 2 and this is the equation, get 3 and this is the equation 4. Now solving here, on solving equation 3rd and 4th by elimination method. Now write a plus 4b is equal 1 by 15 and a plus 2b is equal to 1 by 24. Now minus 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 cancel out. Then 2b is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 24. So 2b is equal to this cross multiply 24 minus 15 upon 24 into 15. Then 2b is equal to now 14 minus 5 9 upon 24 into 15. So 2b is equal to 9 upon 24 into 15 means 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 12, 1 4 ja 4, 1 2 ja 2, 0, 6, 3, 360. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 40 ja. 2b is equal to 1 by 40. Now b is equal to 1 by 40 into 2. B is equal to 1 by 80. Putting value of b in equation 3rd we get, now 3rd we get putting the value of b in equation 3rd we get, so a plus 4 b value 1 by 80 is equal to 1 by 15. Now 4 20s are a plus 1 by 20 is equal 1 by 15. This transfer right side, a is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. So a is equal to cross multiply 20 minus 15 upon 300. Then a is equal to 5 upon 300. 1 by 60. A is equal to 1 by 60. Now put 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60. Then x is equal to 60 km per hour. 1 by y is equal to b means 1 by 80. Therefore the y is equal to 80 km per hour. Therefore the speed of the train 60 km per hour and the speed of the bus 80 km per hour. Now student, this is your answer. Okay, now exercise 3.6 completed. Okay, thank you.